Honey mustard recipe. Ingredients: 1. 1/4 cup honey. 2. 1/4 cup Dijon mustard. 3. 2 tablespoons white vinegar. 4. 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder. 5. 1/4 teaspoon paprika. 6. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. In a small bowl, whisk together honey, Dijon mustard, and white vinegar until well combined. 2. Add garlic powder, paprika, salt, and pepper to taste. 2. Mix well. 3. Taste and adjust seasoning as needed. 3. Add more honey or mustard to adjust sweetness and tanginess as desired. 4. Store in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. 5. Enjoy your homemade honey mustard sauce as a dip for chicken, vegetables, or fries, or use it as a salad dressing or marinade. 5 unique and delicious ways to make honey mustard. Here are 5 unique and delicious ways to make honey mustard. Honey mustard pretzel dip. Ingredients: 1. 1 cup plain Greek yogurt. 2. 1/4 cup honey. 3. 1/4 cup Dijon mustard. 4. 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar. 5. 1 teaspoon onion powder. 6. 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder. 7. Salt and pepper to taste. 8. Pretzels for dipping. Instructions: 1. In a bowl, whisk together Greek yogurt, honey, Dijon mustard, apple cider vinegar, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. 2. Serve with pretzels for dipping. Honey mustard glazed salmon. Ingredients: 1. 4 salmon fillets. 2. 1/4 cup honey. 3. 1/4 cup Dijon mustard. 4. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 5. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. 2. In a small bowl, whisk together honey, Dijon mustard, olive oil, salt, and pepper. 3. Brush the mixture onto the salmon fillets. 4. Place the salmon on a baking sheet and bake for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the salmon is cooked through. Honey mustard roasted vegetables. Ingredients: 1. 4 cups mixed vegetables, such as carrots, sweet potatoes, and Brussels sprouts, chopped. 2. 1/4 cup honey. 3. 1/4 cup Dijon mustard. 4. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 5. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. 2. In a bowl, whisk together honey, Dijon mustard, olive oil, salt, and pepper. 3. Toss the vegetables in the honey mustard mixture until well coated. 4. Spread the vegetables in a solitary layer on a baking sheet and dish for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the vegetables are delicate and caramelized. Honey mustard chicken skewers. Ingredients: 1. 1 pound boneless, skinless chicken bosoms, cut into reduced down pieces. 2. 1/4 cup honey. 3. 1/4 cup Dijon mustard. 4. 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar. 5. 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder. 6. Salt and pepper to taste. 7. Skewers. Instructions: 1. Preheat the grill to medium-high heat. 2. In a bowl, whisk together honey, Dijon mustard, apple juice vinegar, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. 3. Thread the chicken pieces onto skewers. 4. Brush the honey mustard mixture onto the chicken skewers. 5. Grill the chicken skewers for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked through. Honey mustard potato salad. Ingredients: 1. 2 pounds baby potatoes, boiled and halved. 2. 1/2 cup plain Greek yogurt. 3. 1/4 cup honey. 4. 1/4 cup Dijon mustard. 5. 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar. 6. 2 green onions, thinly sliced. 7. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. 1. In a bowl, whisk together Greek yogurt, honey, Dijon mustard, apple cider vinegar, green onions, salt, and pepper. 2. Add the boiled potatoes to the bowl and toss to coat with the honey mustard dressing. 3. Serve the potato salad cold or at room temperature.